Well, finally back at it. First time in a few days. Moved it a little closer to some tools. I dropped the wing nut the other day, so I gotta find that. That cleaned up. Now what I'm gonna do is swap out this ignition module. It's not easy with all this crap in the way. But I'll start there. And oh, there's the wing nut. So we shall put the wing nut on the fender with the air cleaner. Okay. I'm gonna go and grab a... Oh, I got it. How's that? I don't even have to go. Should check. I guess I should go get my ohm meter and test the pickup coil. And I see I gotta drain the rad. Okay, but hey, there's a magnet that holds the camera up. I'll use that. Okay. This is just a test. I borrowed it from another car. So, don't know if it matters, but the yellow's to the outside. Who does that? Oh, I think I may have found it. Okay. Oh my goodness. I just pulled the wire out of a terminal. You know what that tells me, eh? I really should yank this distributor out. My glasses are falling off. And I should have a light because sunshine isn't quite enough yet. And the distributor's not pointed the right way. Get that out. There, let go! You son of a gun, you! Huh. Good terminals though. Good dang. Okay. I can't see, so maybe. Oh, it's white and green is what it is. Okay. I'm not happy about that. Do you know how hard that's going to be to fix that in there? My old gimpy self is just not. So, do I fix this and then like put it back in and test it again? I don't know. Now I'm on the fence. Because this is not, if I stuff that back in there, I'll go into that. Easy, easy. So then if I go and get my soldering iron, just mark that in. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's not do this. Oh my god, no wonder the wire pulled out. Okay, I gotta go get dumb. I think I'm just gonna change it to a regular spade. Would that be stupid? No. Okay, I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna struggle with this, and then we'll continue. Well, I'm back. I have made the corporate decision to mark the distributor and kind of right about here, just so I got a level reference point. There and there. And yoink it out. The end result, I'll be in less pain at the end of the day. So why not? Now, I can see you. I guess they're the right size too. gonna take all day. Jeez. Typically what I do after this is I'll clean that little bracket, clean the bolt, and I can maybe thread it in by finger. This also feels a little tight yet, so. Take it out. I do have a pickup coil and another distributor I'm going to test for comparison, so I'll bring you in to do that. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, this engine's pretty much original goo. Okay, that's out. Well, just isn't. Oh, you know what? That's plugged in. When I was checking for spark earlier. That's. Nope. Okay, where's my flat? It's not here. I'll be right back. They're both plugged in. And did that so I could lift the whole works out and then deal with it. I should be watching this. Then I know roughly where it's pointing when there we go. So that's where it's pointing. Over there at that spot. Kinda. Oh yeah. Come on. There we go. I could figure out how to bench test. Let's just beat this up some more. Okay, I'm just gonna go get a rag. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's make a bit of room here. I might have to fight with this indoors, but I think first of all, oh, are you still recording? Yes. Okay, let's just move you. That tighten. Where are we? Yeah, you can kind of see. I'm going to run off and I'm going to go test that other pickup coil. And then we'll come back and we'll check that one. Oh. Okay, I'm back. On the 2K scale, 0.802. Where am I going to put this where we all can see it? I should move you back a bit. Put that back to the magnet. Uh-oh. Okay, that's the... Okay. look at that, 0.800. I'm going to say, yeah, that the unknown good distributor sitting in that other engine is making power, or is making connection. Okay, we're not shorted anything, 797, so yeah, they're very close in resistance. I'm going to switch this over to AC volts. I don't know if this will work or not. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Just spinning it, so there's something happening there. She's making voltage. AC voltage is what that's creating. So in theory, it works. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get out of the wind so I can perform a repair on this. Then I'll be back to show you what I did. Rotor's on. I had to mark it because my white mark was inside, so I did it approximately. And yeah, I don't know. It'll be close. Let's see if we can get this pointed at here. Yeah, that's good. Barely into this. I'm already tired. I'm gonna go slam that door so it doesn't blow around the wind. Okay, I was gonna clean this. Okay, I'm back. It's cleaner. Okay, see if we can drop this monstrosity in there and get her all hooked up again. And see if I make this little girl bang. The oil pump drive. So I'll pick it up and just wait a little bit. Some days I wish this was a flip front end. Nope, I'm way off the mark. I figure I should then. Let's just do this again. There. I should be right around there. Like that there. And yeah, it looks different now. I think that should be close. I'm probably a tooth out, but the relationship from the white mark to the pencil mark on the distributor should be, on the rotor, should be fine. If not, I'll do one. That out of my way. Don't put my fat head in front of the camera. Come on. Okay. Now I'm guessing right around there. Wrench. So far we've changed just the module to an unknown good one, in theory. Oh, that's not even close. Loosen the bracket off again. Thought something was fishy. Okay, why? Get that's not right. There it goes. Okay. Put it down. Hold that in. So I gotta put the other one. And I gotta figure out where that vacuum line is. It seems to me like it's connected to the manifold. isn't close to the port where the PCV valve is. I'm wondering if I should lift this carburetor off. Okay, we are not snug yet. She's a little, maybe a little more advanced. What I'm looking for is fire in the hole, so as long as that's close, and then I'll do more investigating. Okay, check. Oh. Cheap cap. Turn out, turn out, turn out, turn out. That one there, yeah, that should be good. I should have breakfast. I don't even keep snacks out here. Come on. There we go. Gotta get past the vacuum pot. Where's that one? And bread. There you go. That one's there. You can see it, I can't. Fat head in the way yet. And there we go. Okay, so that's on. There's a wire down here somewhere. There it is. I should do this one first. Doctor says, do you exercise? Yeah, I'm a mechanic. Ooh, stomach crunches right now, or some kind of thing. I don't know. Tack. No, that's bat. This is tack. Okay. Now, in theory, this here, stuff under there. You know what sucks? Is if this fires, I have to go to town and get a new module and put it on. That one's on, that one's on, that one's on. We're not on far enough. Get on there. Where's my little flat? Get under there. Get in there. Okay, that went. Give a little twist, maybe. I know that one didn't want to latch in before, so we're just going to leave it at that. Okay, well, it's loaded with fuel. I think we'll just give her one little, I don't know, old gas, new gas. Okay, let's go give her a whirl. Maybe you got our flamethrower going. Hey. I guess we'll be returning for station identification. The battery's dead. Time for a break. Well, battery's charged up. Me and the puppy had a nap. Let's see if this thing's gonna go. Advanced. Distributor turns clockwise, so to return it, I'm out of tooth, you know that. Just go eat. What do you think? Is that enough? just installed the ignition control module. It sounds like it's got a mix. I'll get my spark tester to see what cylinder it's firing next, I guess. Too loud for you guys. That opens loud, I thought. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is just for point of reference anyway. Just watch, I'll drop these wires in the fan or something. Here, let's try that. Something tells me the coil is weak because they're all low voltage. Between, well, it's firing. That one's firing. I hear snapping. That one's firing. Ow, ow. Oh great, my jumper wire I think melted. Number 8, spark is weak across the board in my opinion. Let it run. Timing. I think I melted my jumper wire. well, we're gonna call this a runner, and then what I'm gonna do is move it into the shop, check the timing. Where does the PCV go in? Don't tell me he's vented it. Oh, it goes in the front. Okay. I don't understand why there was oil coming out of the vacuum modulator, but I think I'll have to do some Googling on that. Choke works, surprisingly, being it's the old manifold coil type. Hey, whatever works. Okay, well, we know it's the ignition module. I gotta get a new one on order, and then I have to replace that one. See if I can break that wire again. I'm pretty certain that was a good connection till I touched it. So I'm gonna close this up, and I can back it in the Quonset tomorrow, and I can fiddle with it. But for now, I'm done. Yeah, so I'm gonna go check and see if they've got. I tried to bring Ocean out and fired the truck up once, and well, she's Bluetooth. I caught her halfway back to the house. Apparently she doesn't like the noise of running engines, so that's something that's going to have to be addressed. I'll kick that battery charger back to low, and I'm going to clean up, and as per usual, I'd like to thank you both for watching. It's going to get ugly, I think. Those clouds are pretty dark. Crop's looking good though. Nice crop of wheat. Could use a shot of rain. Look at how straight those lines are. My buddy was bragging he was driving, and then I picked out that one missing line there. I said, you didn't check the seeder. Okay, well, that's that. So what are we going to call this? The Wrecker Edition. Okay. Troubleshooting the Wrecker Edition. I didn't go through this scientifical diagnostical thing on it. I just swapped parts till it ran. That's okay. So, as usual, thank you both for watching, and we'll see you real soon.